ಬಾಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and ತುಂಬ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಟಾ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಬರ್ಡೇ, 22 ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಅನ್ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. First year, the day your mom smiled with pain, who knows the future, this gorgeous girl will be reason for many smiles. Okay. Nisha. Second year, wow, 1 year completed and Akriti is just tremendous to the family with Amuka, Bhumi. So, okay. Third year, maybe you started to walk a little. That tiny steps of princess. Imagine those days. Baby pillow. Fourth year, I'm gifting this play as your upcoming dream of being makeup artist. Still 17 years left for glitter and glow. Thank you. Fifth year, hope you started to sketch in books as know you're sketching the feel of many people with your pure heart. Aww. Thank you. Thanks. Ishtonde efforts hakirodu. Sixth year, first standard. I think so. You will be enjoying lot with innocence and adorable face. Bag. First standard ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ. Seventh year, playing and started to getting ready by yourself. I'm sorry if I'm wrong in any of the texts. No problem. Puttu bale. I love hairbands. Thank you. Honestly, ನಂಗೆ ಊನೋ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Thank you. 8th year, doll is way of expressing everything in this age. Miss Gorgeous Doll Ashu. Thank you. ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಬಾರ್ಬಿದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಶೂಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. 9th year, it's going on. Hope you're not tired. Just have break and have some water. Okay, thank you. ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕಣ್ತಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. 10th year, life is a calculation. Always calculate do's and don'ts. As usual, you'll do every time. Calculator. And geometry. ವಾಪಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Thank you. Oh, 11th is heavy. Fun time. When I was preparing all of this, I remembered Zuzu Muddu. You missed him a lot previous week. Yes, I did miss him. Zuzu guy. Thank you so much. I hope Zuzu likes it. 12th year. Always your life should be sweet as honey and never think of negative. Always be positive. You're best of all. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Santa. Thank you. 13th year. Best wishes and note the beautiful things happen in your life. Happy things takes time, but it makes you smile. Okay. With this smile, happy birthday wishes. Thank you. Okay. Handmade card or a card. I couldn't decide what kind of birthday card to get you, so I thought I'll let you take your pick. Oh, I'm looking. 14. Okay. Chubby chicks, dimple chin. Sometimes you look like teddy for me. So precious one of my life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Cute guy. Nantara. I mean, truth. 15th year. Almost done. You have made it. Just some more bags remaining. Be fast. I'll be waiting to see your stories. That's the only way I can know about you. Nothing more. Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Iಷ್ಟೊಂದು efforts ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. 16th year, the most important part as I choose this one as best one. I can't explain in words anything. It's like simply awesome. I surely know that you will be good after opening this. Okay. Bonding that never ends. Taisu. Friends are more than anything, Jassy. So, thank you so much. I thought Taisu related ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So, thank you. 17th year. You can always write good things in your heart and mind. The people who lives for you always. Book. Oh, right. End of time. 18th year, last 4 remaining, and it's 2:26 p.m. at night. Exact time I'm writing this line only because of you. ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Just kidding. I really like you. Thank you. Year. May your life shine like a thunderstorm. Do more initiative things. You're starting something new. Have grand success in this process. Thank you. Trying to make you happy. Always have the precious smile. Your Santa. Happy birthday, Ashika. The light active. ಆಕೃತಿ name starts to turn up. Ashika Gowda, this is the year where you met a lot of temporary people in your life and many people in the world starts to know who are you. Unfortunately, I couldn't give this 20th on this story. For that, it will be in your hand on Monday evening or Tuesday morning. Okay, waiting. 21st year, the year where your dream started. You wanted to make your parents proud and surely you have achieved something in this year and experienced the best supporters to your life. All the best for your future. Thank you. This is to certify this month previous year Glitter and Glow is started, one of the best makeup studio run by Ashika Gowda. It successfully completes 1 year. I hereby wish you much success in coming years. Santa, just for you. Thank you. 22nd year. Nothing is there but rewind all the 21 bags. You'll get some clue about 22nd gift and keep guessing for the next day. 22nd year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? So 22nd I'll be back. Waiting.
ಬಾಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ದಿನ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಝೂಝು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಫೈನಲಿ 22nd I'll be back ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮೈ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. 22nd ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇವನೇ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಝೂಝು ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ಸೇ ನೋ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೀವು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ನು ರಿವೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.